Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word shambolic in depth. First, the definition. Shambolic means disorganized, chaotic, or badly managed in a confusing way. Think of it simply as a big, messy pile where nothing is where it should be. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Shambolic traces back to around 1940, possibly from British slang meaning disorderly or chaotic. Over time, it's been used by British speakers to describe anything confusing or out of order. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use shambolic in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The event was a complete shambolic, with no clear plan or coordination. Correct example 2. Her desk was a shambolic mess after months of paperwork piled up. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to shambolic my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using shambolic correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Shambolic means disorganized, chaotic, or badly managed in a confusing way. It comes from around 1940 British slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with shambolic down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.